Chaturthi from Bangalore. Oh, Ganesh Visarjan.
We are in Bangalore celebrating one of the most beloved festivals in India. Come join me to experience the unique blend of culture, community and celebrations as we immerse ourselves in the festivities, captivating the essence of Ganesh Visarjan in Bangalore. Ganpati Bappa Morya! And before we jump into the emotions and energy of this festival from Bangalore, you know the drill. Do support small content creators like me with that subscribe and the bell. Let's jump into the video now. Special thanks and wishes to Sri Ram Seva Samithi for organizing such a beautiful event, and congratulations on their 6th year celebration. So we're getting ready for some dhol time now. Are you excited? Because I was, man.
That's my friend. Bro. Your brother invited you. Nice. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for coming. Nice. Thank you. Hey, happy Ganesh, bro. Yeah. Coming, man. Yeah. Ganesha. Unrevealing Ganesha. Yeah. Yeah, there was Annadanam. Pretty nice. So let's come on this side and see.
The party is not over yet. We're just getting a little warmed up, heated up to go more hot. And the dhol is going to be set on the tamte, so have fun. Time for some feminine tapang kutu now. And we get the final darshan of Ganesha. He's now going to be saying bye-bye as the celebrations come to an end, and then Visarjan at Alsur Lake. Thank you so much for tuning into this festive season episode from Bangalore. Hope you enjoyed it. Ganesh Chaturthi is still a bucket list for me from Mumbai, but this was big. This was fantastic and the vibe was just amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop me a comment if you reached so far on the vlog. And till I meet you all in a new episode, as usual, guys, self-love, it's a much powerful therapy. Take care and have fun, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone one more time. Cheers. Bye for now.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕಗಳು ಬಸು